Hello everybody and welcome back to another video, and today we will be discussing about how to spend cosmetic tokens in one's human. So without any further ado, let's just dive in. Before that, you can subscribe to our channel if you haven't done that already, so that will be highly appreciated. So here, as you can see, currently we have a few things going on in here. So if you want to spend cosmetic tokens in one's human, so by the way, this is going to be the 2024 latest update. You simply need to open your store and navigate to the tab, and you can see it is going to be looking something like that in your shop. And then you need to spend your tokens in here. Of course, select the redeem cosmetic tokens tab to see all skins you can buy or purchase. So if you head over to your others and head over to there, you can see you have some skins going on in here, and you can see the tokens. You can purchase that. Everything you buy here will be visible from your cosmetic tab in the character menu, the same place where you can edit your emotes in one's human. So you can see we have multiple stuff going on in here. We have glasses, we have, you can say, like, and we got leggings and tops and all that stuff. So make sure to give it a try, and I hope this is going to be really simple. If you have any questions, you can let us know in the comments below. I will try to get back to you as soon as possible, trying to fix up your issue, and we are regularly uploading some informational videos like these. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more, and that will be highly appreciated. So see you guys around in the next video.